Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a workout to the workout menu on the REALME Watch S5. Let's get started. First, open the workout app by pressing the crown button to wake up the screen. Press it again to open the menu. Find the workout icon and tap on it. In the workout menu, you'll see the list of workouts you can start, but maybe you don't see the one you want to use. You can add more, but first you'll need to remove some because the limit is 20 and the list is already full. To remove a workout, tap on Hide Sport, select the sports you want to remove, and tap the checkmark twice. Once you free up space, tap on Add Sport. Scroll through categories like Water Sport, find the sport you want, check it, and tap the plus icon to add it. Once done, press the crown button to go back to the watch face, and that's how you add a workout to the menu. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.